Hello students, welcome to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take more problems relating to types of relations. First question, show that the relation R in the set A, show that the relation R in the set A, in the set A of all books in a library of all books in a library of a college given by R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that x and y have same number of pages. Same number of pages. Is an equivalence relation. Is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Solution, we have R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that x and y have same number of pages. Same number of pages for all x, y belonging to A, because A is the set of books. Now since books x and x have same number of pages, have same number of pages, therefore x belongs to R. So R is reflexive. Relation R is reflexive. Let x comma y belongs to R means x and y have same number of pages. Have same number of pages. Which implies y and x also have same number of pages. Have same number of pages. Which implies yx belongs to R. Therefore R is symmetric. Then we take transitivity. Let x, y and yz belongs to R. Let x, y and yz belongs to R. This means x and y have same number of pages same number of pages, and Y and Z have same number of pages. Now you can see X and Y have same and Y and Z have same. That this implies X and Z have same number of pages. Which implies X, Z belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive. Since R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, therefore R is an equivalence relation. Then we take second question. Show that relation R in the set A, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is equal to X, Y such that X minus Y is even. Is an equivalence relation. Show that all the elements of set 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and all the elements of set 2, 4 are related to each other, but no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of set 2, 4. So let us solve this. Solution, we have A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and R is equal to ordered pair x, y such that x minus y is even. Solution is this. Now since x minus x is equal to 0, which is even for all x belonging to A, therefore R is a reflexive. R is a reflexive. Since let x, y belongs to R, that means x minus y is even. Now, y minus x is equal to minus x minus y, which is also even. Which is also even. Therefore, yx belongs to R, then R is symmetric. R is symmetric relation. Now let x, y and y, z belongs to R, which means x minus y and y minus z are even. Now x minus z is equal to x minus y plus y minus z, which is also even. Which is also even as sum of even numbers is even for all x, y, z belongs to A. This means x, z belongs to A, therefore R is transitive. So we have proved that R is reflexive, R is symmetric, and R is a transitive relation. Therefore, hence R is an equivalence relation. You know any relation which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, that is an equivalence relation. Now, in set 135, we have 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, 1 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 5, 5 minus 1, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now since all these differences are even, Therefore, elements of set 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. We have seen here the difference of any two elements of 1, 3, 5 is even. This is the definition of the relation. So they are related to each other. Similarly, in set 2, 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, which are even. Therefore, all the elements of set 2, 4 are related to each other. Now, in sets 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4, we can see the difference of elements of all these. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Similarly, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, then 3 minus 4 is minus 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. Similarly, 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Therefore, you can see here that the difference of any two elements of 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4 sets are odd, are not even. Therefore, we have seen that difference of elements of any two sets of 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4 are not even. Therefore, no element of sets 1, 3, 5 and set 2, 4 are related to each other. That's all. In the next video, we shall take some more important questions relating to the types of relations. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. Thank you. See you in the next video.